Hello, I'm in a 2012 Kia Rio, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see a little lever here that will pull. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety lever releasing it under the hood. And if there's no tension at all in this, you can't see anything, but behind this plastic there should be a cable that's connected. So if you're having issues with this, you might need to pull up this plastic and make sure everything's connected properly. But now that safety's pulled, the hood should be loose now. Most vehicle models, there's a lever somewhere in the middle. This one's here, so I'm going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then we've got this little thing you can use to help hold it up. So that's holding it up. This is what it was hooked onto with this mechanism here. That's what that looks like. So I'll make sure nothing's bent, there's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If this is really sticking, you might need maybe spray some WD-40 in here so it moves a little more smoothly. That's what that looks like. Also make sure nothing's out of alignment with your hood. So if this isn't straight when it closes, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.